The method ble is callable via chair.ble. Yes. For example, if I was to instantiate a chair, just a normal chair, just a normal chair,
with an I in it.
I can access the ble method, even though the ble method is technically on the item class. It gets inherited by the chair class.
Back up to chair dot. You can see which ones it's got.
Yeah, ble, display, and use. And then, of course, equals get hashcode, get type, and toString are all provided on every single object in .NET.
Because the base of all objects is object.
Yeah, actually this right here is turned into this. I'm not even kidding. That's how it works. If you do not specify a base type, you automatically get a base typed object.
Everything's something.
That's where
and that something
that's where
is
some of that magical stuff like toString appears from.